Hey guys, an update on the euro pound trade. So I shared this in the forum yesterday that I caught it, and now we are currently up around 40 pips in profit. So there is the UK tax budget to be announced today, and it has already done more than the daily range, as we can see. So I'm not going to close the whole trade, but I am going to close at least half of the position. So I've already made it a risk-free trade. I had the stop just around here, 45 pips. So I've moved it to break even now. And I'm going to close half the position because I can clearly see there is resistance in here. So close, and I have one lot on it there. So I'm going to close now 0.50. And the rest of the position is risk-free. So if the budget there's something negative regarding the tax rules or something, then the euro could shoot up even more, and my take profit target is in here, which is around 84, so a round number, and another 60 pips to be done. So let's see how it goes, and I'll update you. Hey guys, quick update. So Bank of Japan has kept the rates the same, and they're not looking to raise the rates until I think next year. So that could be bearish for the yen, which would mean dollar yen continues to go back up higher. I'll come to that in a minute. I'll show you some of the setups I'm looking at on the yens. Flash CPI estimate has come in higher than expected, and then later on we have the dollar and CAD news there, so that could be volatile. And to the charts, so euro USD, I caught this yesterday to the pip over here, but then overnight it just well, it went down, but then I saw it coming back up this morning. So basically I got out because that just tells me that it's probably trying to push up a little higher to collect more orders, but I don't want to take it before the news as well. It's a big area, 109 as well, multiple reasons, but I'll just wait for the news to see what it does. If it closes inside here today, then that's not a good idea to hold a trade, because then it's going to be trapped in between the EMAs, and then tomorrow we have NFP. Aussie CAD, I'm holding this one. I might probably move my stop before that CAD news, but it does look pretty good in a downtrend on the 4 hour, and it's continuing actually now to the downside. So let's see, hopefully this can close like here. I'll probably move my stop to just above that 78.6 fib, and the other one I was keeping an eye on is the yen pairs, yeah, but euro pound. So we caught this to the pip yesterday, and it did around 75 pips yesterday, so a lot more than daily range. I did show you in the previous clip that I did take some off in here because I think it did like 50, and that was more than a daily average, so it was coming to this 4 hour level of resistance. So I did take off some there, and if you look on the 4 hour, it did struggle a little bit over there, and then you can see this candle was kind of reversing, but I had moved my stop to break even, so I was fine with that. And then in the end, the 4 hour did close quite bullish. So now I'm looking to take some more profit in here, because you have that trend line 61.8 and the daily 55, and you can see overall it's in a downtrend, but I am looking to take it to 84, but I'll take off some here and then leave the rest to run. And the last one I'm keeping an eye on is the Aussie yen. So I've been waiting for this for basically weeks now, and I need to come here again to 99.80ish, where I'm looking to long, and multiple EMAs Fibonacci in there. So just waiting for that to do a pullback. So hopefully that dollar news can give us a little movement to the downside, and then hopefully we can look to take it up to the back to the upside again. And you can see dollar yen had pulled back to 152 as well, previous highs, reacted in there and has pushed back up. So hopefully we can get some movement on this, and then we could be off to the upside. It's a very big trade. uh, Potentially we could do quite a lot, 500 pips, but waiting for this to do the pullback. So I'll keep you updated and let you know what happens. Hi guys, trade update. So I'm gonna, I think, close the whole position on the euro pound because it's coming up to the daily range, but also more importantly it is coming up to the previous highs, the daily 55, as you can see, struggling there, and also that 61.8 and the trend line. So I'm currently up 80 pips on this one, so I think I've made a good profit for the week on this, and I'm going to close the trade. So I'm closing the rest of the position. So I had closed 0.50 before, and I'm going to close the rest, and that is 80 pips for the week.